Can you open?
Can you open it?
It's from Nick.
It's from Nick. It's from Nick. Here, what's in there, Brendan? Brendan.
Brendan.
Hey, Brendan. What is that?
Is it a fish?
Brendan, what's in the bag?
What's in the bag?
What's in the bag? What's in the bag? What is it?
Is it a fish?
Nick? That's what Nick got you. Nick, get it.
That's from Nick.
Get it.
Yay!
It's a big fish.
Can you say? He's got a mouthful of cookies.
Hey, say thank you, Nick.
Can you give him a big hug? Give the fishy a hug.
It's a dolphin.
Say thank you.
Hey, you got a mouthful of food.
I like the bow on his bum.
You got a mouthful of food.
Say thank you.
Yeah, say thank you. Yeah, right. You got too much cookie in your mouth.
Do you love him? Give him a kiss.
Nick, let Nick a kiss. That's from Nick.